Guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to restore your Samsung Galaxy G7 to original settings with Smart Switch application. You can use this method if you have issues with your phone. So, first thing that you must do is to download and install Smart Switch software from the official Samsung website, and after you install this application, just open it and click on More and click on Emergency Software Recovery and Initialization. Now click on Device Initialization and here enter your model name. To see the model name, just remove the back cover and the battery, and here on this stick it is the model name. I hope you see it. Now let's type search, and now just enter the serial number, and the serial number, it is in the bottom of the stick. I hope you see it. Okay, and now let's type the serial number. And click OK. And now the device can be initialized to its original settings. Do you want to proceed? Warning, remove your Google account to disable device protection features. Okay, now just click on OK. And this is the version. And now just click again on OK. And now you must put your phone in download mode. To do that, put back your battery and the back cover and push and hold the volume down button, the home key and the power key all together, and keep holding the fingers. And now just press the volume up to continue and connect your phone to your PC with a micro USB data cable. Okay, wait until the drivers are installed and click on OK. Now you must wait until the update is complete. Now the update is complete, you can disconnect your phone and click OK and wait a few seconds. And now all that you must do is the initial setup. Just click on the yellow arrow and do the initial setup. Click next. Now the initial setup is over and here is my phone and everything is okay. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and have a nice day.